Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by enabling Swiftkey so it can receive and suggest text. Open the app right away, tap Enable to give system keyboard permission, then choose Swiftkey as your default input method. Once done, grant optional permissions like clipboard and suggestions to improve predictions. Make sure to sync your account if you want cross-device personalization. This sends your typing model to Microsoft servers so suggestions adapt. Now you have a working Swiftkey keyboard ready for custom. Next, you'll tailor how Swiftkey feels when you type. Open layouts to choose one-handed, split, or full QWERTY and set key height for comfort. That changes reach and accuracy. Then enable swipe typing if you prefer gliding between letters, and pick an autocorrect sensitivity. Higher gives fewer typos but can change words. Once you adjust the number row and long press characters, try a quick message to test flow, and tweak settings until keys and corrections match your rhythm. Finish by personalizing predictions and setting backups. Sign into your Microsoft account to sync learned words and enable cloud backup so suggestions improve across devices. Add languages and download language packs, create shortcuts for frequent phrases, and allow clipboard access for pasted text suggestions. If Swiftkey starts making odd corrections, clear the cache or reset typing data in advanced settings. That removes corrupted entries while keeping the app intact. If problems persist, reinstall the app and re-enable permissions to restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.